This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable a dark theme in Windows Mail. I'll be using Windows 10 on the desktop computer to do this. Let me jump over to Windows Mail here. I have Windows Mail opened up here, and the pane off to the left hand side, you can open and close this pane by clicking on these little three bars up here. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says expand. You can expand it or retract it, but you want to click on the little gear wheel at the very bottom, which if you put your mouse cursor over it, it says settings. Click on that. Then in the pane that opens up on the right side, you want to click on Personalization. Select Personalization, and then if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see it says light mode, dark mode, use my Windows mode. By default it's set to use Windows mode, but to turn on dark mode you just toggle on dark mode, and now your Windows Mail is in dark mode. That's how you enable a dark theme for Windows Mail. Thanks for watching.